In peaceful Talbott, Tennessee, you'll find the home of your dreams at 7659 Abbey Lane. It's an imposing home on a spacious parcel. With 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, you'll enjoy just over 2,900 square feet of living area. It's the perfect home for a growing family. Step inside. To your left of the foyer is the perfect study, or right now it's a great playroom. To your right, an exquisite formal dining room, both with plenty of window area. And enter the very great room. Beneath an exceptionally high ceiling and sky window, it's the height of spaciousness, and it just awaits your customization. You also have easy access to a back patio. The breakfast nook and fully equipped kitchen is next. A large island to facilitate meal prep, as well as stainless steel appliances and tremendous cabinetry, make this kitchen a chef's dream. Now take the first flight of stairs past the laundry to the first of 3 bedrooms. It's the master beneath a deep and wide tray ceiling, with plenty of room for your largest bed. Your master bath offers up this jet tub, as well as a walk-in shower and dual vanities. Then continue to the upper floor and your additional bedrooms. For the kids or guests, they're perfect with privacy and room throughout. With this above-ground swimming pool, which is offered with the home, and a host of additional amenities throughout to make your lifetime of living experience even more enjoyable, 7659 Abbey Lane must be seen to be appreciated. Call Tony Thomas of Weichert Realtors Tiger Real Estate direct at 865-548-0661.